Do you drink? You don't drink coffee, or you do drink coffee? You started recently. You're into the iced coffee mostly, I think.
I was always into iced coffee,
Oh,
but
okay.
even more now.
More so, because I see you almost every morning now.
Yeah, I know.
There's an iced
It's
coffee.
a daily ritual.
You got a ritual going. Well, apparently, it does matter which type of caffeine you drink and how that's going to impact or affect you. And apparently, well, this Clarkson University, a team over there, they just published a peer-reviewed study looking for the difference in the type of caffeine you consume and what the effect of that is. Because there's a lot of popular energy drink style caffeine that's out there in the world that it's popularized to keep you sharp. Red Bulls and Monster Energy and stuff like this. And there's always been a question, is that the exact same stuff that's in coffee? It feels a little bit different. I don't know if it's the same stuff. Well, they did discover in their study here that there is a difference between synthetic caffeine and naturally occurring caffeine, like the type of caffeine that shows up in coffee. And they found that the natural version of caffeine had a more sustained delivery. Of course, we know what caffeine does, makes you alert, a little bit sharper, and helps you wake up in the morning. Very popular beverage, coffee. I don't know if you heard of it.
Never heard of it.
And a very hotly traded commodity across the globe, certainly.
So I guess it's more distributed in terms of energy.
Yeah,
It's not like a spike.
So here's what it is. They found that both natural and synthetic caffeine improve cognition and moods. However, synthetic caffeine had an initial spike after 30 minutes and then slowed and tapered at 60 and 90 minutes. So it was a spike. It's just a quick spike you're going to get with that.
And then you crash.
And a crash, whereas natural caffeine had a more gradual improvement in performance. So it's interesting because you may have thought it was 1-to-1. In fact, many times on the energy drinks, they will relate it to a cup of coffee. Like, this energy drink is 2 cups of coffee. And it's like, maybe not all caffeine is created equal. That's essentially what they were looking for and attempting to determine. And it appears they have some significant findings. So anyway, what I'm trying to say, Will, is keep drinking that iced coffee, all right?
All right.